All right, Kevin, this one's 99% already there. Remove the rear cover. On here, on the left side, there will be 2 screws here that you remove, and then all the way around the edge of the metal, loosen the screws. They'll have that big piece, and this whole piece slides, and that pops off. And the cable here with the shield is for the control panel. Just follow it around, unhook it. On the dock feeder, you basically push it down, and you have 2 screws. And you want to remove the whole unit slides. Whole unit slides to the one side. You can see the hooks. Slide it back on. And just to show you, on the machine, you do not have to take this cover off. The 2 holes pop out, and you can access that. You will be taking off this cover and the rear. Any questions, let me know.